I'm going to do hand pollination. Hand pollination is a way of helping the plants to have successful fruit production and seed development using the male and the female flowers of the same plant. This one, there's a female flower. You see the fruit? That's the female flower, the one bearing the fruit. This one doesn't have fruit. This is the male flower. You see the line? The same plant. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove the petals. Can you see the middle part of the female flower? The male flower has the pollen, which I'm going to transfer some of the pollen by touching that area. Let's look for a fruit here. There's one. Because I'm a crazy gardener, I would invite the flies and ants into my fruit-bearing plants by throwing in kitchen scraps. So these insects do the work. As long as your house door is far from your plants. I saw some zucchini this morning that is of the right size to harvest. Though it has yellow ends, I can use from that side down to the other end. I'm going to use this one to check if there's fruit that I can harvest. That one, that's good. That one is different shape. There's another one. I think that's too young to harvest.